What not to say to an insurance adjuster. When you are dealing with a car insurance claim, what you say to an insurance adjuster can really affect the outcome. Insurance adjusters are trained to protect their company's interests. Your words can influence how fault is determined, how damages are assessed, and what settlement amounts are offered. So, let's talk about what you should avoid saying to an insurance adjuster, especially regarding lack of communication and bad faith practices. First, do not admit fault. Even if you think you might have contributed to the accident, avoid saying anything that could be seen as an admission of guilt. Fault is determined by evidence and investigation, not just your initial statements. Admitting fault can weaken your position and make it harder to secure a fair settlement. Next, do not give a recorded statement without preparation. Adjusters may ask for a recorded statement about the accident. If you agree, make sure you know what you want to say and stick to the facts. Avoid guessing or speculating about what happened. If you are unsure about any details, it is better to say you do not know than to provide incorrect information. Another important point is to not accept the first settlement offer right away. The initial offer from the insurance company is often lower than what you might deserve. Take your time to review the offer and consider all your damages, including those that may not be immediately obvious. If you accept too quickly, you might miss out on compensation for all your losses. Additionally, do not provide unnecessary details or speculate about your injuries. Stick to the facts when describing the accident and your injuries. Avoid exaggerating or minimizing your injuries, as this can be used against you later. If you are unsure about the extent of your injuries, wait for a full medical evaluation before discussing them with the adjuster. Do not let the adjuster pressure you into making decisions. Adjusters may try to rush you into accepting a settlement or giving a statement. Take your time to gather information and consult with a professional if needed. Rushing can lead to mistakes or accepting an unfair settlement. Also, do not argue or become confrontational. Keep a calm and professional tone during all communications. Being argumentative can complicate your claim and may lead to delays or misunderstandings. Finally, do not ignore requests for information, but do not provide more than is necessary. Lack of communication can be used against you, but so can providing too much information. Respond to requests from the adjuster, but keep your answers brief and factual. In the context of bad faith practices, lack of communication from the insurance company is a common issue. If the adjuster avoids talking to you or delays responses, it can be a tactic to frustrate you or pressure you into accepting a lower settlement. Always keep records of your communications and follow up if you do not hear back. Understanding these points can help you protect your rights and work towards a fair outcome from your car insurance claim. Always be careful with your words and remember that the adjuster is not on your side, even if they seem helpful.